Yo, what's up, everybody? What up, chat? What a crazy time to go. Yeah, markets are really dumping here, man. Like, really dumping. Down about 400 points from kind of the overnight highs. Wow, wow, wow. As I hit go live, we just dumped another 50 points in less than a minute. Can everybody hear me okay? What's good? What's good, Hood? What a crazy, crazy market. Let's pull up a couple charts. Straight of it glitching out? I don't think so. But anyways, good morning, guys. What a really, really weak market today. Put an order super delayed. I sure hope it's not. Man, we are so extended to the downside. I like the idea of trying to get into this momentum, but at the same time, man, it's so... I do not feel like getting caught in a 40-point bounce right now. You know what I mean? Having said that, this does not look good. I would love to get into continuation. I wonder if we can get continuation down to 25 300s, man. The daily not looking super good either. Jeez Louise. What does ES look like? Yeah, this is looking top heavy. Oh boy. Today's gonna be a day. Anyways, welcome in, everybody. Yeah, today's gonna be a day. I'm really interested to see if this market just keeps selling off here. But my entry has to be good. I gotta have a good entry today. On a day like today. Cannot afford to have a crappy entry. Anyways, good morning, guys. Tariff news, huh? Tariff news. Not a very strong range here off the low day. Nice rejection at 70. God, man, this is so weak. Okay, I got in 3 minis on my Tradify Live. See if we can catch a break a low day here. I'm gonna try to manage very tight. I don't want to see this pop back up to 70. Trying to balance not being too aggressive, but also like taking the right trades. I like to be in heavy if this breaks low day here. We're hesitating though. Another rejection of 50s. All right, I'm gonna cut that. Down 1600 on a quick shitty trade. Feels like a good opportunity to be aggressive, but at the same time, like, come on now. Man. 78 rejecting. Still, oh, it's rejecting back into the range. Try it again. I'm trying to be aggressive while the opportunity's here. We might just be 3 strikes and out. Yeah, this is looking rough. Gotta reject the 80s here. It's another rejection to the 80s. Gotta get into the lows now. I would look for this to dump under 500s if we can take low a day here. This is a painful retracement off the low. Super slow. Yeah, I'm getting cooked here. Getting back through the 90s. Keep taking the highs, but getting like 10, 15 point pullbacks. Like, it looks promising for sure. Gotta get under 50 here. See if we can get a low day flush here. Then if we can, maybe break 500s. Gotta see continuation. I want to chop here. Come on, 50s. Come on, 50s. Got the 5-minute flip in. Oh, it's so annoying right now. It's not wanting to break down. Like, I think this is a trade, but trying to catch it is proving so difficult. Can we reject off 83 right here? And we're breaking to the upside. This is going to be my final high. If we take this high again, I'm out. 87. Gotta hold 87. Gotta hold 87s. Setup's here, man. It's gotta go. Got to go. All right. If we see this low again and don't break it, I'm gonna lose my mind. Yeah. Anyways, welcome in everybody. I'm just in a trade right now. Super focused. Super focused. Feel like there's a lot of good opportunity rates I'm trying to execute, but this low is being very stubborn. Like, so stubborn. I cannot believe we're not breaking this shit. There's 65 again. Looking for a really weak retracement off low a day, then a retest and break. That's kind of the idea of this trade, but I don't love the consolidation under 600. Feel like we're going to see 600 here. Yeah. All right. Holy shit. Fuck me, dude. Okay, I just got way over DLL right there. Oh, God. Fuck me. Okay. What a start. That was on my Tradeify live account too, bro. Fuck. That was quick. That was way too quick. All right. All right, let's settle in. All right, let's just trade on the Top Step account, I guess. Oh, that sucked. That sucked, didn't it? That is an insane bounce. Sheesh is right. Sheesh is right. Hit the liquidator on that bad boy. We reached past 100 points in like 2 minutes, a minute. Fuck. I think I just got caught up in way too much volatility, but I like that trade. I just got caught on the wrong. I think I just got the shit into the stick right there, man. That sucks. Oh well, all good. That is so unfortunate, man. That was like the quickest 100-point bounce ever. We're still going. Yo, anyways, anybody just joining into the stream? Shitty start. Anyways, we're gonna be doing a My Funded Futures giveaway at the end of the stream, of course. My Funded Futures giveaway at the end of the stream. So make sure you guys are hitting the like button, and then at the end of the stream, we'll do a 50K My Funded Futures giveaway. Your mic, I got you. All right, mic should be good now. What is this bounce? This is a 150-point bounce. Good night. I felt like it was a great opportunity to get aggressive on it, but that was a mistake, I guess. Can't win them all. That's what I said. I said I'm super interested in the short. I just don't want to get caught in a 40-point bounce. So we did a lot more than that. $150. Hi, I'm new. What's up, everybody? Oh, yeah. What is gold doing? Gold had a big sell-off of all-time highs down to that 600 even level, and it held. Bitcoin of all markets actually the only one up today. That doesn't make any sense. Man. I don't know how long this Tradeify live account's going to be here, to be honest. That's a huge loss today on the Tradeify live account. Way bigger than I wanted it to be. It's 3K over my DLL. But, I mean, when we move 150 points in a minute, it's kind of hard to manage that. All right, let's shift it. Let's look to take some trades on the top step account. I don't know. I feel like his price action a little bit bullshitty right here. I don't know if that was a news spike or what, but that was just 150 points to the upside. Now we're sideways. I hate it. What is the giveaway? End of the stream, man. End of the stream. Aren't you still up 18.9? Yeah, I am, but it's just different because this is a live account. These aren't live accounts. It's just different, you know. Shouldn't have tried to get so aggressive, but I felt like it was a good opportunity, so felt like a good opportunity to get aggressive. How can I enter in the giveaway? I'll let you guys know at the end of the stream how you can enter. What you do need to do is be subscribed and hit the like button for sure. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Still like the idea of a short trade, but especially we're not really seeing a lot of follow through after that rally. When are you about to end stream, bro? Chill out. I just started. Be patient. It'll be at the end of the stream. You have to, that part of the thing is you got to stick around, man. This would have been a better entry with my other account instead of being impatient down here. But hey, man, I didn't expect a 150-point candle. If you still like it, we didn't break above VWAP. Bro said, when are you gonna end stream? By the way, I don't know, man. Probably another 2 hours. No! See what this retest looks like off of the 70s. If we start to reject, I might try to get short again with a really tight stop. I got short here as we retest these highs. I'll stop it out if we break above 690s. If we get through 690s, 700s, we'll probably look for a VWAP test and go higher. But I like if this is just a manipulation kind of retest of the weekly range at the lows. I like to be getting in short here. Keep the risk tight, hopefully. I like how we're in on the wick at 77. See if we can flip and push back into the low at 642. And we're getting back to 700s. Got to reject here. I don't really want to see it take this high. That's kind of the idea. If it does, then I just have the wrong trade. Nice rejection off the high. Really nice rejection off the high. Got to hold off. Gotta reject 700s here. Nice rejection off 660s. Or sorry, 690s. I want to see this low get taken to 640s. That's going to leave an aggressive wick on the 5. That's going to leave an aggressive wick on the 5-minute if we can get under 640s. Then I would love to see if we can just get really clean trending price action back into low a day. See a break of 640 with volume. I would love to go break even, maybe even add into it. We got to break 642. Okay, I'm going to go break even now as we get another pivot off of 62. See how that candle flips red, aggressively retest the low at 642. Going to go break even and just manage my risk. If it wants to be nice, it's going to be nice. We'll see if it works. If not, if we hold, just not the right trade, man. If we get taken out of this, I'm just going to accept that we'll probably see 700s. Really, really aggressive selling back to 642. If sellers are truly in control here, we're going to break this low. Yeah, this is cooked, brother. Got to lose the account with your code. Nice, man. Good luck on that one. They're solid. I love the structure of the trade. We're break even. Just gotta fucking break 642. Seems like mission impossible right now, though. I don't know. Not gonna happen, huh? Let's go. Rip. We tried, chat. We tried. Imagine. 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 All right, I'm gonna add 2 more. Looking for the break right here. Still break even. That might be legendary. That might be legendary. We'll let you know in a sec. Gotta break, man. I don't mind adding in even when it is still kind of rangy because, well, look, I'm not looking to be in this anyways, and the risk is break even, so not looking to be in rangy markets anyways. That might be legendary. That might be legendary. That's all I'm saying. That might be legendary. Now, you want to see if I can have balls of steel and hold this bitch all the way down below fucking 500? You want to see if I have that? Let's see if I have balls of steel and hold this all the way under 500. Come on. Come on. Flush that shit with volume. Flush it with volume. I want under 600, no less. I want under 600, no less. 5-minute candle looks amazing. Or the hourly, sorry. Even better. Flush that shit. Flush that shit. Flush it. Got 614. Flush it. Really nice price action down low 600. Look for the break of 600s right now. Floating 4K in profit. Under 600s. Biatch. Under 600, biatch. Covered 1 on the big volume dump. Still break even. 590s. 580s. 570s. Covered another one. Come on, bro. Clean as shit price action, by the way. Cleanest price action I've ever seen. A decisive 70 points to the downside. Decisive 70 points to the downside. One green candle in here. No retracements. Clean order flow. Clean momentum to the downside. Now watch me hold this for a break a low day. Just watch. Watch. You got to have this patience as a trader. Watch. Put a limit buy at 560. 580's breaking down. Let's get it, bro. Come the fuck on. Run the likes up to a million. To a million. Run the likes up to a million. Oh shit. Hold on a second. I really don't see this getting by here. Look, the hourly's almost entirely flipped. I'm going to be patient, man. Fuck all that. I'm going to be patient. I'm being patient, waiting for the break of low day. Stops at break even. I don't give a shit. I don't give a shit. Let's go to the 1,000 tick chart. That's what I want right there. That's exactly what I want right there. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. Still made 3,000. Who cares? Now you're gonna be tested as a trader. All right, we've made $3,000. The structure here still looks really good for a break a low a day. I'm holding break even. I'm gonna exercise patience because it's so important to have patience as a trader. I'm gonna be very patient right here. I'm gonna let this shit work, man. If it doesn't work, big deal. We still locked in $3,000. Punk, yeah, boy. That's what I should have caught on my fucking Tradeify live account. This shit was... That's what I should have caught. That ad when you almost got wicked out, but you notice how I keep it break even, right? I figured, look, in my perspective, it's like I'm expecting that to be high. We're under VWAP. We have a 150 point rally and then just really a lot of hesitation up there. I'm trying to kind of look for that to be the high. And I'm okay with it. Like, I don't want to be in a range anyways. So, yeah, kind of adding for that final one. But that was a good ad. But, yeah, I don't want to be in a range. So, it's like, it's not like I'm adding in the range and keeping my stop. It's not a red stop, right? It's a break-even stop. Having said that, doing that in a range, more often than not, you will get wicked out. But yeah, it was, in hindsight, a good ad. Do I want to add back in at like 612? Like add it all back? Or add maybe another one back? It was good timing. It was a little bit of luck, brother. It was a good, yeah, it was a good, I'm not going to act like I'm a genius. It was nice. I couldn't have told you we were going to dump right there, but I was expecting it. I just, yeah, good timing. Good timing. Good timing. We're looking for more. Looking for more. I'm looking for the low day, then I want to see 400s. High 400s today. See if we can get it. Guys, by the way, if you haven't liked the stream, like the stream. If we get to 400 likes at the end of the stream, we're going to do a My Funded Futures giveaway. I know we can get there because yesterday we got to 350, and it was not nearly as crazy of a trading session. So I know we can get to 400 likes, man. Run the likes up, share it, subscribe. You have to be subscribed to be eligible to win the 50K My Funded Futures account giveaway at the end of the stream. I'll instruct y'all on how we're going to do the giveaway at the end of the stream. But right now, man, let's focus on this trade because if we can break these lows, man, break session lows, we might just have a really big day. This could be like maybe a $10,000 day or something. I'd like to make back what I lost on the Tradeify live account trading like a fucking idiot at the bottom of the, low day here. I still like that trade. It's just obviously in hindsight, it's didn't expect 150 point bounce in hindsight. I don't know what to say. Come on, NQ. Play nice. Play nice. Play nice. Got 100 likes, chat. We need 400 likes. I wouldn't ask if I knew we couldn't do it. I know we can do it. I would not ask if I thought we couldn't do it. It would be amazing if today could be one of those days where we just keep going lower all day. And I could just trail it and just milk this thing. Come on, we gotta break 83, man. Come on now. Bitcoin pump. Yeah, I don't know why that market's pumping. Not a clue. Nice wick. Nice wick. Anything above 600 getting wicked is amazing. Kill this thing. Kill this thing. I want Black Wednesday. The hourly looks good to continue lower. Everything looks good here. Just need NQ to play nice. Need NQ to play nice. Five-minute looks good. Don't want to see us get to a range here. That would suck. I liked it twice. Thank you, brother. Why do you use mini instead of micro the other stream? What do you mean? This stream or what stream? Why are we not backing off of 613s right here? Brink by brink. Like you're always using small size and not big size. To be honest, man, I felt a little more confident with this trade. I mean, you saw me come into the Tradeify live account with 5 minis. I felt confident about the direction today. So with that confidence, usually means I'm going to use some more size. But yeah, it's a bit sporadic. I don't know. I just kind of felt I felt like it today is really the answer to that question. Some days I feel like it. I want to try to anticipate adding here. I like that rejection off 620s. Do I want to add? I would be really tightening up my range here if I add. Still very confident about where we're going. I added. I'm going to keep it break even, and I added. And I'm going to keep it break even. I added some at 618. We break through 620s and reclaim 630s. We'll probably move back into the range above us anyway, so I'll be happy to get out. I really hope that's not the case, though, because I like this a lot for continuation. Yeah, so I added 2 at 618 on this retracement. So I'm back into 4 minis now. Looking for the break back under 600s. I brought the average down, though, so keeping the risk the same. Brought the average down. Kind of looking to anticipate this to be the top here of this weak range. Could be right, could be wrong. Not going to risk anything more on the trade. See if we get stopped out here. Ugh, I really hope it's not the case, because I feel like this has potential to be amazing. But, of course, this rally is just being aggressive. Oh, shit. Oh, my God, that sucks. That fucking sucks, because I felt like that could have been such a great trade. If this rejects 630s and sells all the way back down, I'm going to lose my mind. Well, now I hope it rips back to 700. I hope it rips back to 700 on everything. Last thing I want to see this thing do is sell all the way back down. All right, we're up $3,000. Oh, fuck me. Oh, fuck me. Oh, I'm going to crash out, brother. I'm going to crash out. I'm going to fucking crash out, bro. Oh, my God. I hate when it's a fucking tick, dude. A tick. God. Oh, shit. I'm so confident about where we're going, dude. Like, I've never felt this confident about a fucking trade in a long time. God, that is fucking... I mean, that is just... I'm gonna... You should give it space, I know, but at the same time, it's like, you know, we got to make a lower high to go lower, so I'm anticipating it here, trying to be, you know, then of course the market has to fucking get me by 1 point. 1 tick. It wouldn't be the market if it didn't take me out by 1 tick, bro. Fuck! By 1 tick, by the way. Fucking horrible, man. Alright, guys, 400 likes. We're doing a My Funded Futures giveaway at the end of the stream. This is annoying. That is really annoying. Oh my God, that's so annoying. This could have been the trade of the year right here, man. If we got to add and didn't get wicked out, this could have been the trade of the year. Fuck. I mean, I think my stop was literally like 33.75. This is so weak, it's still flushing. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, bro. Oh, that sucks. Oh my God, it's just like so heavy. Oh my God. I'm gonna lose it, bro. I'm actually gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose my mind, I think. Holy crap. Holy crap. There's no way, man. Oh, and it's so fast. It's so fast. Oh, fuck. I just let a $10,000 trade slip through my fucking fingers. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I don't even believe my eyes. What the fuck, man? Like, I actually don't believe my fucking eyes. I believe it when they say it's rigged, man. I believe it when they say it's rigged. Yeah, you can't do anything, but it's just like, it's just the fact that it's by 1, like, what the fuck? 1 tick? Who's watching my shit? Who's watching my stops, bro? 1 tick? And then we fucking dump 100 points? Come on, bro. Oh. Oh, you are a son of a bitch. Oh, you're the worst ever. Wow, wow, wow. That's fucking horrible, man. Yeah, look. 633, I covered 633.75. Right here is where I had to get out because it was break even, and like obviously I don't want to go into a loss on it. Like right there, literally fucking right there. Look at this shit. Look at it extra close, bro. And then now we're dumping all the way back down. Oh my god, oh my god. Holy shit, this could have genuinely been a $10,000, $12,000 trade, man. Oh my goodness. How much would this be? Oh, that would have been $8,000 in 4 minis if I didn't get stopped out, plus the $3,000 I already had locked in. Okay. I don't know, man. What the fuck? Genuinely, what the fuck? I'm gonna be in a pissed off mood all day now. Oh my god, it's just the heaviest price. Like, there's no bid down here or anything. I mean, this is cliff diving status, bro. We're doing the giveaway at the end of the stream, guys. I'll instruct you how to do it. All you got to do is be subbed, hit the like button. We need 400 likes to get to the live stream at the end of the stream. Or, sorry, the giveaway at the end of the stream. I can't believe it. I can't believe that. Oh my god. I can be mad up 3K because, dude, you need to go rewatch this shit because I just fumbled the biggest. I literally just fumbled the biggest trade ever. That's why I'm mad. I mean, I just, oh my god. I had so much confidence in it, but then I had break even right here at the top, and I mean, what am I gonna do? Oh, this would have been so big, dude. I mean, this is everything I was looking for. 500s, and then I was gonna cover some 480s, 440s. This would have been, well, what it could have been 20 fucking, maybe 20K on this trade with 4 minis. And it's just sinking. There's no buyers. There's no buyers at all. We're just free falling, man. How did I get? How did that happen? How did that happen? How did that happen? You added and had to move the stop. I did add because, well, that's what I expected, but I guess I didn't expect it to get all the way up to 30s. Oh my god, this thing's free falling. Oh god. Okay. I don't know. That might be one of the most like violated trades ever. Like the most just gruesome, done dirty ass trades I've ever been a part of, honestly. I think that's probably the most done wrong I've ever experienced in a trade. Look at the daily though. I mean, we have bigger issues in this market. This thing's really dumping. We are down like 600 points, 500 points, 470s next. Just no buyers down here. Wow, wow, wow. Still up big on the day. I've traded horrible today, man. That ad was In hindsight, like I like adding usually in that situation. Because whenever I did get out, I got out here in the 5, here. So like adding back into it, anticipating that to be a lower high, but it just extended a couple more points than I thought it would before we dumped. I caught it a couple points. If I would have added to like 624 instead of 618, I probably would have had a stop break even that was protected like up there at 36. But I added at 18 instead of 24, 25. And that was the difference between 3K and 13K. Little mistakes. The only trade here is to get short, by the way. I don't know. I feel like I am on tilt. Like I feel like I want to use big size now to get back what I feel like I deserve. You know what I mean? I feel like I want to use big size to get back what I deserve. I know that's not the right answer. But you guys are right. Let's tilt. Lock out. I think you know what? I like that idea, man. I do feel like I'm on tilt. I feel like I'm on tilt. I'm gonna lock out. I'm gonna lock out all day because I feel like I'm on tilt. So I mean, I just fumbled a $20,000 trade. I feel emotional. I feel like I deserve that money. So I feel like I'll do something irrational to try to get it. I'm gonna lock out. I literally cannot trade the account anymore, so I locked out. Having said that, I have nothing else to do but trade evals. Fucking what evals do we need to buy, bro? What evals do we need to buy? That's gonna go on TikTok. That's gonna go as like a highlight reel because if y'all didn't see it, if you guys are just tuning in, I actually got bent over and so look, we got short from here at resistance around 670s. 4 minis. It was really clean. The entry was fucking beautiful. Everything was. This trade was almost too good, so something bad had to happen to it. Of course, man. I got short here, added perfectly. Got clean momentum down through the low. Covered. Retracement. Okay, it's a weak retracement. It's slow. Okay, well let's get in 2 more minis right here at 618. That pulled my average from here to like here. So then break even got triggered there, and then we flushed like 150 points lower, and there is no bid in the market. And that shit has me on tilt. I'm genuinely on tilt, so I'm not gonna do anything crazy. We do need to do some evals though. We do need to do some evals. I like being live too because there's no guarantee I would try my best to try to lock out, but there's no guarantee. I like being held accountable a little bit on the live stream. Like I did, you guys told me lock out. I think it's a great idea. Y'all keep me accountable. I locked out. I'm not gonna trade. I'm not gonna trade. Not gonna trade. I was also a little bit on carryover tilt because my Tradeify live account, if you'll notice, is down a clean $8,000 on a trade that I was trying to catch a break below a day here. Then we ran 150 points. The direction was still right, but I got liquidated. Man, going back though, I would love to like do some film study on this and what could have been done better. I think when I see weakness in the market, sometimes I underestimate how much we can retrace back to the upside before, getting that second leg. Maybe 618 wasn't a good ad, but it felt like a good ad. I mean, I don't know. I don't know what I could have done in hindsight. I think I just got fucked over. That's all. That's the market, man. The market. All right. Let's do some evals, man. I'm going to have to do some evals here. What do we want to do? It was I know, and I expected it to like kind of come up here. It's hard to exactly know the math on where the average is going to get moved to. It just so happened to get moved right here where the market decided to top out. I had to go break even, and it literally by a tick took me out. Just sucks, man. Just sucks. So I've got buy funded futures and take profit trader evals. I don't really want to touch these because these are pretty much at the finish line. What other eval accounts should I do? Is there any good deals on any prop firms right now? Man, that sucks. MFF. I already have MFF right here. Yeah, I see that. It is almost exactly 50. I don't know what I could have done differently. I think I did everything as best I could. I just maybe in hindsight not adding into it obviously would have kept me in it, but oh boy, I don't know. I like the idea of trying to add into it. I had a better deal on it than whenever I exited here, and so on a retracement, yeah, let me try to add back. It is what it is. I'm not gonna. I mean, I'm complaining about it now, but I'll move on. I'll move on. Okay, guys, what? How many likes do we have? We're gonna do a My Funded Futures eval giveaway. Let's get 200 likes for sure. Then at the end of the stream, we're doing an account giveaway. Wow, that's tough, man. Tilted just watching that. Yeah, that's got me on some tilt, brother. Maybe we'll just try to do some. I think this is pretty good price action to try to get some Apex accounts passed. I've already got two of my favorite ones, TBT and My Funded Futures. Maybe we do some Apex. Try to get some Apex evals passed. What do y'all think? Should I do Apex? What should I do? I can do Alpha. I can do Alpha. Does Alpha have any good deals? Apex, Apex. What if my payout gets denied? What if my payout gets denied, chat? I mean, we can at least we can try to pass Apex in one day, though. Feel fairly confident. We just keep trying to short this market. We can get some good shit going. Said no because I'm on social media. I don't think they deny you if you. The thing is, their rules are not easy to follow, right? The 30% equity, whatever the thing is, that's not an easy rule to follow, man. Man, I just can't believe how shafted I got. Can y'all believe how shafted I got? I've never been shafted like that. Never. But like it up. This is a bigger trade than we usually take. Oh god, it could have been amazing, but all right, I'm gonna load up some of these Apex accounts. Why not? 150s or 100s? 150s. My Tradeify Live's locked out, bro. That's the. You see that one? It's locked out. I think I got shafted on my Top Step account. I got shafted on my Tradeify account. What is shafted? Shafted's where you get screwed over, man. Screwed over. Wait a second, dude. Apex doesn't have that good of a deal right now. Nah, I'm not gonna do Apex. Let me look at Alpha because they have 1 day to pass too. One second, chat. 1 second. Dude, there's not that many fucking good deals right now. No, you can't use your own code. Yo, guys, in the meantime, let's get to 300. We need 400 likes. We're going to do a free My Funded Futures account giveaway at the end of the stream. You heard? Low key, there's not any, like, where are the deals at? Where are the deals at, man? Like, even Lucid, solid, but they usually have a better deal. I don't really see any good deals. Unless y'all see something that I don't see. I don't really see anything crazy. Could do some trade day evals, but those are not going to be super fun to like trade. Wow, I just can't believe how I fumbled that, man. I mean, that is, oh goodness. Makes me sick a little bit thinking about it. Morning, what's good, Royal? How's it going, man? You're okay, good job. Thanks, man. Thanks, man. Would have been a lot better, but I do appreciate that. What did I miss? You got to go rewatch it. You probably genuinely missed the craziest trading session ever. You probably missed the craziest trading session ever, man. Hey guys, if you wanted to get started with any of the prop firms that I'm affiliated with, you can use code BPC. My Funded Futures, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify. I think Tradeify at the moment is 40% off, but I can't trade their funded accounts because I'm in a live account. So then you have Alpha Lucid. Go get you some prop firms. I think what we're gonna do is maybe do some trade days because I can reset them. What trade copier? It's called Trade Syncer. Okay, we're gonna do some resets here. Give me a second, guys. If you guys are new here, man, make sure to hit the subscribe button. We're doing a My Funded Futures account giveaway. Oh. New users on trade day get 50% off. Not bad. Cipher ticks? I've never heard of that. Never heard of that one, man. Dude, they did. That was horrible. It was horrible. It was horrible. It's okay, though, I guess. Give me a second, guys. I'm just doing a reset on some of these accounts. That's the game. Hey, bro, you full time? I am, man. I am. Have you done the giveaway yet? No, end of the stream. We're about to do some evals. Try to get some evals passed here, though. Market's still selling off. Let me just run it through my... Let me sync it up to my trade syncer. All right, I think we're good. All right. Man, it's such a really aggressive selling day here in the indexes. So easy to see that in take sells, but man, to make like it's a lot harder to actually like make. Okay, stop that. Like money doing it. Hold on a second. Hold on a second. Like trading so much more than just okay, the market's going down, sell, right? So much more. Okay, here we go. All right, I've got 3 trade days. Now, these have 30% consistency, so we can only get like 3K max. I might not even push it that hard, but we'll see. No, trade day doesn't have any crazy rules. They're pretty typical rules. Don't news trade, don't tilt, or sorry, don't don't tilt, don't hedge, stuff like that. I'm not gonna lie, I honestly feel blind looking at TradingView without like the tick chart. I feel like I don't know how to look at a market without a damn tick chart, man. Also the data. We already talked about that, but the data is so delayed. I guess we'd try to be looking for a short back under 500s. Maybe new low day, 470s low day. I don't use Tradeovate, man. I hook it all up to TradingView. Tradeovate's confusing to me. Damn, I wasn't recording whenever I took those trades earlier. Fuck, I always forget to hit the record button, man. That's so annoying. That's annoying. I forget to hit the record button so I can go and clip it after. Then I have to download it off of YouTube, and the quality's horrible. That sucks. How did I forget to hit the record button? I'm a failure, man. I am a failure. Is cockpit trading view not really do be nothing but evals? Honestly, don't understand that question. My trade syncer has a cockpit, if that's what you're asking, but chat, we get to 300 likes. We're doing a My Fun and Futures account giveaway at the end of the stream. Is it hard to connect your trade syncer to TradingView? Not hard at all, man. Ow. Just make sure whatever prop firm you're buying with the, your Tradeovate credentials, make sure you select TradingView as an add-on. And then it's as simple as plugging in the credentials to TradeSyncer, enabling it on the cockpit, and then you're good to go. You can trade it through TradingView, your lead account, and then it'll copy trade. Pretty nice. 100 more likes, chat. We're doing a My Fun and Futures giveaway. 100 more likes. Check out like gold, I guess. That's choppy. Gold's so choppy. Let me get into gold. 25 micro short on gold. See if we can kind of trade this range back into the low 20s here. See if we can take like a base hit on gold. What's up? What's good, CV? Yeah, these are evals though. These are evals. This is trade day evals. What if this is a mistake with this weakness we're seeing on in Q? We're gonna break out once I get short. Is that the plan? Might be the plan. Might be the plan. $25 is nuts. Not. I mean, it's only micros. It's micros. Did we get in right when we're about to break the range? Is that what's gonna happen? Nice. Uh, it's a black box blocking the screen on TikTok. Is TikTok even up? Bro, I didn't even know TikTok was up. Not gonna lie. Trying to make a couple hundred on this trade day eval, but it seems like as soon as I get short, we're gonna break out of the range. Wonderful. Usually, honestly, usually the TikTok gets taken off stream after a little while. I mean, TikTok can't see a lot. It's hard to get it's hard to fit everything over there, to be honest. Okay, we're not accepting the range here. Trying to catch a range trade, but my timing is not not it. Oh shit. Oh shit, gold. No, the giveaways here on YouTube, man. The giveaways here on YouTube. Well, looks like we're about to get a breakout. I liked trying to take the range trade, but it's not one to work with us. All right, into the giveaway. You just have to be watching, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'm trying to figure it out if I want to get out of this. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. We're gonna do it at the end of the stream. Not crazy about this. I feel like we're just gonna get ran on here. Starting to break out of the range. Keeps retesting 30s. I'm not liking it. I think we'll cut this with like a 2K loss. Yeah, we're breaking out. Alright, try to take a range trade there. Just bad timing, I feel like. Pretty much range bound all session until I get long. Or short, sorry. These are just evals at the end of the day, so. Naz, I see that. Naz running. Okay, I'm back in gold. kind of bullshit. Dumping off of 35s. I'm back in gold. Or 32, yeah. Came up, left an aggressive wick at 32, sold off. I'm back in gold, seeing if we can break under 20s. Or at least just catch the bottom of the range. I see that, man. Are we just gonna stall out? Are we just gonna stall out on the dump at 28? Come on now, man. Here we go. NQ still going. All right, gold. Do your thing, bro. Guys, we're at 300 likes. If we get to 300 likes, we have 80 more likes. 80 more likes, we're going to do My Fun Futures account giveaway. All on YouTube. All you got to do is hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. 80 more likes. 300 likes. 300 likes will do it. These trade day evals are kind of melting here, I'm not going to lie. They're not looking very promising. Gold's just like climbing. Yeah, these evals are cooked, brother. I think they're cooked. Close to cooked. Maybe we should use silver to try to pass these. TradeEvate only works for TradeEvate. Yeah, I mean, they say that it works for Project X, but it does not perform well trying to use Project X accounts. TradeEvate's the best option if you want to use it. I wouldn't try to copy trade through Project X accounts. It's just, it doesn't perform well. Oh, gold, I hate you. I feel like every time I've traded gold, I've lost. Past week and a half. Yo, 65 more likes on YouTube, and we're doing a My Fun Futures account giveaway. 65 more likes. That would make my day. It would make my day if we could pass this trade day eval. It would make my day if we could get 65 more likes and do this My Fun Futures account giveaway. Is the guy who won yesterday's account giveaway in the stream this morning? He got his account yesterday. How's the trading been? How do you enter a giveaway? All you got to do is hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'm going to randomly select somebody from the stream. Fall off the face of the earth. Pretty much. And you know what? This is an eval I don't really care about. I'm going to go to the restroom, dude. I'll be right back. 2 minutes. 1 minute. Appreciate that, Royal. Oh, here we go. Let me leave real quick. Okay. We're up a little bit. Bro, you're crazy. It's just an eval. It's just an eval. It's not much I can do. This is either going to go above 32 and I blow the e-counts, or we dump and try to get closer to passing the eval. How's everyone's day? Pretty good, man. How about you? Like I said, guys, if you guys are just joining in, we had a crazy morning. I mean, it was a roller coaster of a morning. So took a really awesome trade. It was a good trade. Made 3K on it. The way it played out, we could have made a lot more. It was just an insane emotional roller coaster. Felt like I was on tilt, so I locked out. And chat told me to lock out. I think that was a good idea. In fact, I know it was a good idea. And here we are now, trying to just pass some evals, blow some steam. I think the best thing to do when you're on tilt is trade cheap evals, man. If you have to trade cheap evals. Okay, guys, like 50 more likes. We get to 300 likes. We're doing a My Fun Futures account giveaway. If you guys are sitting there and watching the stream and you have not liked it, just like it, man, because then we can do the giveaway and maybe you'll win. If you're sitting there, because we have 300 people in here, if you're sitting there right now watching the stream, if you're not near your phone but you can hear me in the headphones, get back to your phone, hit the like button, because then we're gonna do a giveaway and you might win it. Does that make sense? You like it, we're gonna do a giveaway. You could be the winner of said giveaway. It's gonna be a random person from the YouTube chat, as long as you're subscribed and liked. Yo, Mark, appreciate the sub, man. Said, nah, I'm good. You're not eligible, though. You won't be eligible. Like, you literally have to like it. All right, come on, gold, bro. I'm gonna lose my patience here. Oh, wow. Big dump on NQ. Man, NQ's being annoying today because we are moving lower, but it's giving such deep retracements that it's actually like... You know what I mean? It's making a lot of traders second guess their side, I think. Because the retracements are, like, that's no joke. That's 470 to 590. That's like over 100 points. Just for it to sell back down. Come on, Goldie. I wish I could get into more, but you can only use 5 minis on trade day. TP? TP is whenever I can get 3K in profit and get 30% of the way to pass in the profit target on trade day. So we need 5K in profit. Probably maybe if we can get under 46.20. Oh! Come on now. I liked and subscribed, but I have no idea how to trade this stuff. Stick around, man. Keep tuning in, and you'll probably learn a lot. Man or woman, I can't really tell. See, buyers are want to go higher. This is looking good here. If we can get under 20s. Now, this isn't my most tactical trading. I mean, this is truly kind of like just trying to get an eval pass. So we're just in a trade. We're in a trade to be in a trade. Held that insane Bitcoin trade. Appreciate it. Yeah, whenever the market, I mean, works with us, we can get those big trades. I would have had something similar today if I didn't get stopped out. It's all about getting in the right trade at the right time. Being in it at the right time has a lot to do with it, unfortunately, that we can't really control. Is it 10 more likes, Loki? 300 likes, so we do a giveaway. My Fund Futures account giveaway. Let me refresh. Yeah, low-key, 10 more likes. 10 more likes, so we're doing a free My Fund Futures 50K account giveaway to somebody in the stream. Come on, gold. We want gold to dump. I want to get closer to passing these these trade day evals, and then I want to do a My Fund Futures account giveaway at 300 likes. Love to see us go fill in the bottom of that candle, man, at 22. You prefer TBT or Tradeify? I like them both. They're just different, right? I like TBT. TBT is solid. TBT is really solid. I like TBT. I probably do like TBT a little bit more than Tradeify, yeah. Code BPC on TBT accounts, guys. 40% off, no activation fee ever. Here we go. We might see the dump under 22 here. Hit the like button. Code BPC on Take Profit Trader. Should have some of those accounts pass this by the end of the week. Trade up to 5 live accounts, man. So you can truly, like, as long as you're not hedging positions, you can manage each account differently. Take, you know, one account, maybe just trade a couple micros on. One, you can try to be a bit of a risk taker, more speculative trading. Try to really scale the account. I like the idea of the 5 live accounts. That's the next goal for me. It's the main goal for me is to try to get that. Obviously, try to build a Top Step Tradeify live account. We started the stream taking a really big L on the Tradeify live account. I mean, we got, I don't know, some volatility candle. It was a 150-point candle on we got caught in a 150-point candle on the wrong side of NQ and ran past my DLO on Tradeify Live. Okay, this looks good. Let's go. We need $5,000 in profit right now. Gold's looking good for a break of 20s. Please. 5 more likes. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. 5 more likes. See this gold trade break down. And do the damn giveaway. Chat, here we go. Once again, we're about to do the giveaway in a second here, guys. It's a 50K My Fund Futures core account eval. All you have to do to be eligible, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and say a prayer that we pass this, that we can win this trade really quick on the break of 20s. per my request. $5K is the goal in the goal. Yeah, good looking out. The goal is 3K, but we're down 2K, so we get 5K on this trade. Close it there. We'll be up 3K, which is 30% of the profit target, which you have to abide by the 30% consistency rule. Should be chilling. Wait, the giveaway just the core eval. Look how ungrateful that guy is. Look how ungrateful that guy is. You go buy it yourself then for 150 bucks. Or however much it is. Oh yeah, here we go. Nice wick. Just kidding, just kidding. Found you on TikTok today. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. Here we go. Flipping under 20s. He was hoping the giveaway is instant funded. No. It is free, though. Come on, man. Quit stalling. Break 20s. Guys, we'll do the giveaway. I would like to see this trade break 20s real quick, and then we'll do the giveaway. What a wild day. Why are we here? What are we doing? Should I switch to an NQ trade? Okay, dude, I'm bailing on this piece of shit. Alright, let's hop into NQ, bro. I need this shit passed, champ. Passed. I'm in NQ5 short. Alright, let's start the giveaway. We're at 300 likes. Let's start the giveaway. We'll keep this trade on. Let's start the giveaway. I'm in 5 minis short. Let's do it. Okay, hold on a second. Giveaway started. Exclamation mark raffle. Chat, everybody to chat. Exclamation mark raffle. Okay. Run it. There we go. Run it up. I'll give y'all until 10:50, okay? Like 6 minutes. Another MyFunded Futures core account giveaway in the live stream. Exclamation mark raffle. Going crazy. Passing evals. Good day on my Top Step live account. Good day on some funded accounts. Can't complain. Lovely day. Exclamation mark raffle, guys. Make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. That's the only way you'll be eligible. Okay, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. We'll close it off in a couple minutes. We're up nicely on this NQ dump now. You only get one entry, by the way. I'm seeing a lot of y'all do it again. One entry, man. I'm going to close it off at like 10:48. Make sure everybody gets a shot. Once again, if you're not subscribed, you will not be selected. You have to be subscribed. That's literally a thing I clicked. You have to be subscribed to win. All right. We're in some nice profit now. Let's put in some like hard TPs and like the 480s. That should put us around 5,000. Cover one, maybe. All right, we're gonna let this trade finish up, and then we're gonna do the account giveaway. Chat, 50K MyFunded Futures account giveaway. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, exclamation mark raffle. That's all you gotta do. Give it a couple minutes. Give it a couple minutes. Showing good sportsmanship, guys. I've got 3 more giveaways coming to y'all. You have Instagram? Do you know my Instagram? DM me on Instagram a screenshot. Cool. DM me on Instagram a screenshot of your YouTube, showing that that's your account, you're signed in, or you're watching the stream. Send that and a screenshot to me on Instagram, and we'll hook you up with that account. You should have it as early as tomorrow. Okay, dude. That TP got filled, man. We passed the trade day evals. Everything's going good. Cool, man. Congrats to Wicked Tix. Congrats to Wicked Tix. I've got 3 more, guys. I've got 3 more. 1 more tomorrow. Just keep tuning in. If you didn't win, that's okay, man. There's still some pretty good deals on the MyFunded Futures evals if you wanted to go get one. If not, you have another shot to win tomorrow. I'll definitely say congrats. Nobody be mean. And good luck on the eval, man. Link for your IG. I got you, man. Go to Instagram, type in BPCTrades. That's my Instagram. That's my Instagram. Actually, it's BPC Trading. But I'll look for the DM and we'll get you set up. How much more do you need to pass the eval? You need 9K, but they have a 30% consistency rule, so caught the NQ. I mean, NQ is looking like very, very weak. There might be a bigger pullback coming towards the end of the week if we can't start to find some buying around this level. Got to hold a higher low somewhere in here at the 400s on the hourly. 30%, yeah. It is what it is. I mean, it is what it is. Nice, man. Congrats to you, dude. I'll look for that DM. I am just thinking and thinking and thinking about what a trade I could have had if I just didn't get stopped out on this. Where was it? Somewhere in the like, dude, looking back, this is so rough to watch. Getting stopped out here. It's okay. It's not a bad day. It's okay. It's not a bad day. $25K PDT rules fixing to go to 2K. I think most of y'all in here are trading futures, so there's no PDT rule anyways, but that's cool though. I mean, that's cool. Maybe we'll do a stock trading account. No PDT rule. When is it going to go away? Do we have any idea? Made 1,500 on 5 evals. Nice, dude. Or options. Yeah, options, cool. There's going to be options is going to be saturated with. There's going to be so much volume that goes into the options market when people can just trade with a couple thousand. No PDT. Wait, there's a stock trading prop firm? There's not, but I had that question the other day to myself, like, why is there not a stock trading prop firm? They would probably do pretty good. Well, the only red we see today is this Tradeify live account. This thing got murked, which really sucks because it was just me having way too much size and getting caught way on the wrong side. But ultimately, we have moved a heck of a lot lower, so what can you do? Try to swing big. I thought it was a good opportunity to swing big today, and it has been a good opportunity to swing big today. It's just some of these retracements were a little deeper than I would like to have seen them. That's all. No regrets though. No regrets. We're at low a day, just dumping. This daily candle looks horrible. Yeah, I thought it was a good day to be aggressive. So it is what it is. It is what it is. Yep, that's exactly right, Hobby. That is exactly right. Or in my case is sometimes I just have this much size on that I just just Try to find that balance of like having an aggressive amount of size and having just too much. Although I think I would have gotten way stopped out. I think I would have gotten stopped out on this even with 3 minis. Just got caught in this rip. I was like pretty heavy sized in here looking for the break. It was just, we got caught in like a 150 point rally. It was, and we have moved down, but we keep getting pretty deep retracements, so it's not super easy to, like, we're not really flushing, right? Slowly moving lower. A lot of wicks to the upside to take you out of your positions on. Trade Bull? There's a prop firm called Trade the Bull? Really? Hashtag raffle, man. I'm sorry you missed it, bro. We'll have another one tomorrow, though. S&B Capital? Yeah, I guess. Well, we did some trade day evals and got those. Like, what else should we do? Say good day, man. Good day. Could have been oh man, today could have been great. I came in today and I felt, man, I felt like it could have been a great day. I felt that way. Didn't end up such a great day. It was a good day, not a great day. This loss on the TradeFi live account's huge. That's a huge loss over there. See that? Can y'all even see that? That loss on the TradeFi live account is painful, man. That's a painful. How am I gonna bounce back from that? I'm gonna bounce back from that. It's good though. I took a 4K payout on that account. I guess I had a feeling. I had a feeling. Yep. What's annoying is like usually I'm using my standard size is a couple micros, and then I have days like this where I feel like it's a good opportunity to be aggressive and try to catch like a big trade with some decent size. And then if it doesn't work out, it's like, what do I do now? Do I go back to my small size? It's gonna take me weeks to get back to that P&L if I'm back to using micros. But I mean, it's only because I took a risk today because I felt like there was a lot of good opportunity to catch a nice trade, but I lost that trade. But I was okay with taking the risk of that trade, but you know, because I felt that there was a good opportunity today. Just keep trading like normal, I guess. spot with like a double wick off 40s. It just opened up. Chad, I know I said I would go live last night and I bailed on y'all. Should we do a live tonight? Should we come back with the nightly live streams? For a long time there, I was like exclusively an Asia session streamer. Yeah, yeah. We might have to, man. It's been moving. It's been moving well. Night live. Okay, bet. We'll do it. We're still selling off, man. Still selling off. Look at 83s get rejected. New lows coming, maybe. Only metals. Yeah, metals move well in the overnight. They kind of always have. All right, so here's the day, man. Let's see. Down 8,000 on my Tradeify live account, and up about 28,000 on some of these evals and funded accounts. That's just how it goes some days, man. I'm glad I didn't copy trade when I took that trade live trade. I wouldn't have because it was way too much size to even try to do that, but glad I didn't have it linked up. I like how trade sync you can sometimes like just take them on and off. Like I can copy trade if I want, I can take it off, switch counts around. You can only make 2,700 a day on trade day for 30% consistency. You know what? You're right. Are you right? 2,700. Yeah. You know what? Good looking out, man. Yep, yep, yep. You're right. I need to lose some. That's a good point. We need to lose some, just a little bit. Okay. What's the best way to lose some? Going long on NQ? We need to lose about 500. See if we can lose 500 bucks. I'm gonna slowly lose. I'm not gonna do anything crazy. Imagine losing, like blowing the eval, trying to lose money. Oh, come on. I don't want to make money on this. Buy another one. Okay, so 6 points is about... We'll have a stop. 6 points. That should be about right. Great music? Heck yeah. Damn, we're actually making money right now. This sucks. Come on, man. It's just taking off now. What the heck? I can just leave it on all day and hope it gets hit. Wait, I feel like we'll get it filled here. Come on, man. Flush it. I think I might just leave this order in here and see if it gets filled later. I think that's the plan. I think we're gonna call it, man. It's like a pretty decent day. Oh wait, hold on. Maybe it happens here. Nah, we're gonna leave it in. We'll get it filled later. Not worried about it. If anything, we'll just DCA into it. So it's a loser. Yeah, we're gonna chill out. We're gonna chill out. I'm gonna go hang out for the rest of the day, man. Try to come back live tonight. We'll try to do like an overnight, like a night stream. That could be fun. I'm gonna do some editing, work on that. Trying to edit that clip of what happened. If y'all didn't see the stream this morning, it was just an insane day for me. Honestly needed a nap. So I'm gonna kick it. I will see y'all maybe tonight. If not, I think I will, but if not, tomorrow morning. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another My Fun Futures 50K giveaway. Got 3 more to give away. So definitely tune back into that one. Also, guys, if you need to get any prop firm evaluations, make sure you use my code BPC. Take profit trade on My Fun Futures, Tradeify, Lucid Alpha, Apex even. Definitely use my code. It helps. All right, we're gonna kick it off. I will see y'all tomorrow morning. God bless. Probably tonight, but maybe tomorrow morning. All right, take it easy, guys. Peace. Appreciate